So now that you know what an SEO audit is, let's talk about why you would want to conduct one in the first place. There are a few reasons why you may want to do one. First, you may have noticed a decrease in your traffic and you want to know why it's happening and what you can do to get your numbers back up. Second, you may have been studying your competition and you say they are all moving up in the search engine rankings and you want to stay ahead of them. An SEO audit will tell you how to do that. Third, you may have hired someone to do SEO work for you and you want to make sure they're doing or have done what they said they were going to do. And lastly, you may just want to increase your or your client's organic search rankings and you want to know where you should start. Whatever your reason is, the first place you should start is with an SEO audit. Jumping right into applying general SEO techniques without first evaluating your website's health is going to be a waste of your time if you really want to maximize your efforts. By first spending time on evaluating your website's issues, you'll be able to better address its individualized needs so it can rank higher and perform better for you.